Backward ka lang ha. Wala lang.
I need that
Aw, aw, ang kape.
Those are the
Shells.
no, the like what do you call that? The one that
Seaweeds.
coral.
Oh yeah, corals. From the corals. Come on.
Corals got out of the sea. The corals have color when they're in the sea, but when they are out of water, they don't have color.
Ba't kanya maglakad dyan? Daming kagat sa legs, oh.
I'm not hungry.
Lamok.
No, I'm not hungry.
Hmm.
I'm not hungry.
Shoot him, yeah.
You gonna eat pancit? Banana. Kumain ka na. You're gonna get hungry.
Picturean niyo po kasi tapos ko picture, tingnan namin. Opo, picture lang ito, ma'am. Picture lang tayo, ma'am.
For picture lang pala yan.
Walang lunch.
Kuya, may hotdog. Ha?
No lunch.
Water, yeah. Wait,
I
wait.
like the taste of
Yung ano bo, yung ano yun?
The what?
the refresh water that we do.
Yeah, okay. We have water naman here. Oh. You eat pancit, ha? Nak.
Alright, so everybody,
eat ka na lang ng shrimp.
Huh? Before you will start in the please. You need a prayer for this food. Go para guys, come closer here please. Come closer tayo. Okay. Alright, so everybody bow your head and close your eyes. Kuya. Bless us, O Lord, for the gifts which is about the Amen! Alright, so everybody, before you will start, so I'm gonna introduce your food for the lunch. So today we do have a pork adobo, grilled fish. The name of the fish? Tuna. This one is a noodles with vegetables, no meat, no seafoods. We call pancit. And then a mix of vegetables, pumpkin, string bean, eggplant, ladyfinger. We call pakbet. And then fruits, red watermelon, pineapple, banana, garlic shrimp, Filipino power, rice with Coca-Cola, open Coca-Cola, open happiness. So let's grab it, Mami. Keep your dieting.
I was trying to get.
Come on, swim here. Swim to mommy. Swim here.
My look, it's them.
Oh, I didn't press it. One more. Come on. Dali na.
Just made me practice. There's big rocks on there.
Huh?
There's big rocks on there.
Come on, one more.
Fine.
Come on, go here. Give me that. Give me. Come on, go here. Yeah, come on, go here. Go here. Hey, swimming. Dali na.
Fine.
Huh?
Go. No.
Oh, go, swim. Uy! Swim properly. Go, swim properly.
Hello, mommy. Where are you all going?
I go here. I go there. Record me, ha? We're looking for the Balls Island. Ano, upo ka doon? Like that, kuya? Pag ano daw?